Hi, this is Sean Stewart, and I'm here to bring you one quick credit tip. I have people all the time that come to me and they say, you know what, there are accounts in my credit report that are not mine, absolutely not mine. Or there are accounts that happened years and years ago that are well past the statute of limitations that are still reporting on my credit report. And worst of all, they're reporting as if they're new. Well, the first step is to put together an action plan and attack those accounts. Put them in writing, write to those companies, and use the law in what you put in your dispute letters. You may have to do it over and over again and get more and more aggressive. If that doesn't work, there are what's called Fair Debt Collection Practice attorneys or Fair Credit Reporting Act attorneys. They will review your situation, and together, if they find that the accounts just aren't yours, they will actually go as far as filing a lawsuit. Yeah, can you believe it? Filing a lawsuit against these billions of dollar companies, the credit bureaus, and others in order to fix the situation for you. Get those accounts removed. And in some cases, they're able to also get money back to you for your pain and suffering. That is today's one quick credit tip. Take care.